Warren Buffett, who is recognized as one of the greatest investors in history, built up a massive fortune thanks to his unparalleled ability to identify long-term investment opportunities. As the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett has amassed a fortune while maintaining a down-to-earth demeanor and a commitment to simplicity. In this video, we examine Warren Buffett's remarkable journey, focusing on his approach to wealth building, his business, and his investments. Let's take a look at his inspiring journey of victory, the early years and the birth of Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett came from a very wealthy background, but he is a self-made man. His father owned a stock brokerage firm and eventually became a U.S. congressman. As a result, Buffett was able to enroll in highly regarded colleges like Columbia University. However, he managed to establish his own business and make his own investments, which ultimately brought him great wealth. Investing was Warren Buffett's passion from an early age. At 11 years old, he began a tiny business delivering newspapers and bought his first stock. Buffett turned the economically struggling textile company Berkshire Hathaway into a diversified conglomerate in 1965 by purchasing it. Buffett transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a complex powerhouse through a series of strategic acquisitions and investments across several industries, with holdings ranging from insurance and utilities to consumer goods and transportation. Value investing, a recipe for success. Value investing is a theory that focuses on finding cheap stocks and holding them for the long term. And Warren Buffett is the pinnacle of this strategy. He looks for businesses with strong fundamentals, sustainable competitive advantages, and management teams he trusts. Buffett's patient and disciplined approach to investing, combined with his keen eye for intrinsic value, has enabled him to generate substantial returns for his shareholders over the years. The power of patience and long-term thinking. Buffett's ability to maintain a long-term perspective and resist short-term market fluctuations is the basis of his success. He believes in investing in businesses he understands and staying invested for the long haul. Buffett famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever," highlighting the value of being patient and letting investments grow over time. He differs from many investors who are only concerned with making short-term profits with his long-term outlook. With Berkshire Hathaway, his holding company, Warren Buffett holds shares in numerous businesses. Some of his biggest investments include Bank of America, Apple, American Express, and Coca-Cola. Philanthropy and the Giving Pledge. As a committed philanthropist, Warren Buffett has pledged to contribute a sizable amount of his fortune to philanthropic organizations. He partnered with Bill and Melinda Gates to launch the Giving Pledge, which calls on other billionaires to donate a significant portion of their fortune to philanthropic organizations. Buffett has made a significant impact on fields including healthcare, education, and poverty alleviation through his charitable foundation, the Susan Thompson Buffett Foundation, and his annual contributions to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Simplicity, humility, and financial wisdom. Warren Buffett's approach to wealth and investing is characterized by simplicity and humility. Living in the property he bought in 1958, he is well known for leading a simple lifestyle. Buffett's annual shareholder letters and his down-to-earth personality have endeared him to investors and the public alike. Aspiring investors look up to him as a trusted source of financial advice because of his ability to convert complex financial concepts into accessible information. Finally, the rise of Warren Buffett from a little investor to a renowned figure in the financial industry serves as an example of the value of determination, self-control, and a long-term outlook. He has gained the title of Oracle of Omaha for his investing abilities, charitable work, and humble demeanor. When we consider Warren Buffett's achievements, it is evident that his investment ideas, dedication to philanthropy, and commitment to simplicity serve as a guiding light for investors and individuals seeking financial wisdom and long-term success. This is a very good example for all of us. Be patient in everything you do.